Hey you, lady with the glasses and blue earrings.
Who are you? Where are you?
Never mind the guy behind the camera. Do you know you don't have to be monetized to become an Amazon affiliate?
Really? I love making YouTube videos and I use Amazon products all the time. Now I can advertise them on my channel and get rich, rich, rich. Oh boy, I can't wait. When do I start? When do I start?
Hey, slow down, you got it all wrong. Where's your thriving website? What product are you planning to sell?
Website? I just want to advertise Amazon products on my YouTube channel. Like this Color Science Unforgettable Total Protection Face Shield.
Yes, it doesn't work that way. First you gotta have a website before you can even apply to become an Amazon affiliate. But before it's even built, you need to decide on a product or products you plan to sell. Before you can even decide on a product, you need to research its competition. If the market is highly competitive, you'll have a hard time selling it. You're not listening. Let's say you've done all the research and you think you've found the perfect product. You've just begun your journey, my friend, because competition is fierce. And in order to bring more traffic to your site, you will need to blog and brag, blog and brag, blog and brag. Hey kid, listen up. Being an Amazon affiliate is not for everyone. It takes a lot of work. It's a full-time job. Can you hack it?
What about my songwriting and the book I've been working on?
If you want to make money as an Amazon affiliate, you'll have to kiss all your passions goodbye. You won't have time to do both.
Up until now, everyone made it sound so easy. All I ever wanted to do was sell my Color Science Unforgettable Total Protection Face Shield. Hey, where'd you go? Does Amazon sell